Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to extend your demo account validity to 15 days because I saw a lot of people commenting that they don't know how to extend their demo account, and some even want to pay, which is you don't have to because it's totally free. Okay, first is you need to go to the Dukas Copy website. I'll just put the link in the comment section. I will pin it. Let me just log out to my account. So next is once you're in the website, click login, put your username and password. After that, click extended validity demo FX account. So um, once you're in the page, go to trading account information and make sure you select the Jforex option. Then confirm your new password. Then the base currency, I want it to be in US dollar. Initial deposit 10,000. The verification code 326311. Click I agree with the rules. Once that is done, they will send the credentials to the email. Then go to your email. As you can see, this is your username and password that you can use for your Jforex. So let me try to log in. So this is how you basically extend your demo account. So it's actually 15 days. Every time your account, every time your demo account will expire, you have to do the same thing every 15 days. The main reason for this, according to Dukas Copy, is to avoid multiple demo account creation. Yes, that's basically it. That's how you extend your demo account. And also, one more thing, some people in the comment section also they don't see the replay mode. So actually, so this is a new. I just installed um, Jforex on my computer because this is actually a new computer. This is a new PC that I bought. All you need to do is find that um, replay widget icon, which is this one. See, it's visible. I can see it here. You should be able to see the replay widget icon. There's no way it's not available because this is a newly installed Jforex in my computer. See? So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you extend your demo account to 15 days, and also that's how you locate the replay mode.